All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It is day 10. Um, it's been a fun ride, man. These past 10 days have been great. So if you haven't, been watching the news or just up to date with what's going on, we're quote unquote in another trade war. So basically last week on Friday or Thursday or Friday, Trump made a tweet which sent the market into a downward spiral, liquidating, they said 19 billion in the stock market or something like that. But I'm not really concerned with that, to be honest. My concern is this, right? So today, um, your boy is speaking, and that's the real concern. But Fed Chair Powell is speaking today around 12 p.m. So you definitely want to pull your money out around that time because the market is either going to do a lot of violent sideways movement or it's going to, you know, drop down very sharply or push up. We don't know. So getting in the market while he's speaking is like trade suicide. I'm not going to lie. Now this whole pattern right here, the first thing I noticed when I opened the charts today is this looks very familiar. I think this happened not too long ago. Like, so price was shooting up, right? It's not here. Uh, Boom. This reminds me of September 30th, right? Same exact thing almost. Price was going up, price was going up. Then overnight, it just shot down, right? Breaking through multiple zones and then stopping at the third. Almost stopped at the third. So then it started shooting up. So I'm thinking that this week is going to play out similar to how it played out between September 30th to October 2nd, or should I say October 3rd. So, man, gold has been one of the easiest things to trade right now, bro. Like as far as like it's almost like it doesn't even know what to do. Like the algorithm is like, I want to take more money from people, but it's so many people are buying. It's like it's hard. I was up $300. Um, let me show you guys my trade, my account real quick. I was up $300, but I had forgot to move my TP before I went to sleep last night, and I got caught in that little this little bearish movement. I'm trying to figure out why did it drop like this over these 2 hours. So this is a big drop. This normally indicates a reversal too. Whenever you have um a bearish candle engulf multiple candles, this is a sign that price might drop. So y'all be careful out here in these streets, man. I think I'm about to get out. I had took another trade this morning, but I think I'm about to get up out of there. It's not looking too good right now, y'all. All right. Go ahead and do this for y'all. Who is that guy? Man, I hate when it does that, bro. It's like it's connecting, but for some reason the screen is black. I gotta figure out why it does that. It's mad weird. All right, y'all. So apparently, QuickTime Player is being but I'm gonna try one more time. Oh, I see what's going on. I see what's going on. I think I know what's going on. Okay. Um, so you know what? Actually, I might be able to show y'all what my other Ooh wee. Oh yeah, I gotta get up out of this trade. Sheesh. Yeah, let me go ahead and get up out of here, bro. Oh look, now it finally wants to work. I don't know what the hell that was about. So guys, this is my current account. I took a dumbass trade this morning, and it's totally my fault. I kind of like just woke up and traded. I didn't really think. I was on some like, oh man, like I saw this, and I was like, in my mind, I was thinking like, oh, I need to buy, but yeah, I totally messed that up. Anyways, yeah, all right, now my account is back to 200. It could have been 400 if I would have I went to sleep last night. My account was at like 315, and before I went to sleep, it was at like 400. But I didn't set my stop loss. Oh, I'm definitely gonna take another buy actually too. Yeah, you're not about to fool me. Hold on. So let me show y'all when we should take a buy. So, oh yeah, this shit juicing down right now. And this is before he speaks. Today might be a bearish day, y'all. This might be like early signs of a bearish, like a bearish day. I mean, it's due for one though. Like, you get what I'm saying? I wouldn't even be mad if this whole day turned bearish. Wouldn't be mad at all. Now, I would be mad if some crazy shit happened, like this candle comes all the way down here. I'll be like, what the hell is that about? I'm low-key thinking this is just gaining momentum for a bullish push, hopefully, but you never know. Because like I said, you know who is speaking. Oh, I wanted to see last night. So this happened at 1 in the morning. Was it news at 1 in the morning? Nope. Yeah, I have no idea who dropped the market at this time. Somebody did. This is another thing, right? Look at the difference between these legs. So this is how the rich stay rich and the poor stay poor, right? So I'll show y'all something. So price came down from this point, right? Boom. Until structure is broken right here, we can't consider anything below this point to be anything like of structure, right? It's just gaining momentum, but you know, it started to gradually go up. Boom, boom. Then it hit this point, letting people know like, hey, you know, the buyers are here. Boom, it respected that level, broke through right here. Broke through at 6 o'clock. Cool. Now we got some movement, right? Barely any pullback. Boom, boom. I just want to show y'all legs. Pause. So we got a breakthrough right here. I'll even draw a line. So price broke through right here. Now we got structure, right? How many legs did it make before it reversed? So 1, 2, made 3 legs. A lot of people would be scared or hesitant to buy around this area. And then you would get late to the party and you would get in somewhere like around here, right? You would either get here or you would get at the top of this move. Price pull back, you know, and then it shoots up and you're like, oh. And you will hold this, then the market knowing that, boom, comes down and liquidates all the buyers who just got in right here. This is where all of the novice traders get in at, around this area. Smart money gets in down here, or sometimes even down here. But like I said, y'all, I think this whole setup, bro, looks super familiar, man. And I gotta keep going back to this, to right here, September 30th. It just looks just like it. Like, it's crazy, bro. A little different, but same thing. Breaking through multiple zones. Stop before the third zone. Excuse me. Then the real play, and I'll delete everything for y'all so we could do this step by step. The real play is right here. I think this day is going to end bullish. That's my personal prediction, right? So I'm going to draw my daily line right here. And I'm going to draw my second one right here. Right? So daily demand zone. Man, I'm going to still be asleep. I'm over here pressing wild buttons. Forgive me, I'm going to wake up in a second. That's what I need to do. I need to go work out. That's exactly what I'm about to go do. All right, boom, got my daily demand zone. Now let's drop down to the hourly time frame. So We stopped right here, so there's a reason why we stopped where we stopped at. If we go underneath this, it makes sense. Boom. We got our support level right here. I actually got two, but this is the stronger one. Of course, obviously it had the deeper pullback. All right. Boom. Okay. So I'm looking at this and I see a good thing, right? So first things first, structure was broken right here, right? Price never came back to retest, and it's just now coming back to retest, I guess. So let me see something. I might take a buy right here. Yeah, I'm going to take a buy right here. And I'm going to set my stop loss right below this level. So I'll do like, let's do 4097. The 4096. I think this is just a big breakthrough and retest, y'all. So again, like, right, price broke structure right here. Boom. Did it retest? Nah, it never retested. So, you know, I don't think that price is going to just start tanking right now. I think it's going to wait until Powell speaks. I could be wrong, but could be right. Also, too, if price goes back above this level, it's definitely going to. Gotta get my get back real quick, man. Let me see. What am I aiming for? Should I aim for 50 or should I aim for 100? Let's see. What does the market want to give me? Market wants to give me about 15. All right, cool. So I'm gonna aim for 15 pips. Yeah, my shit is cooked, bro. Oh, look at that. It just respected this zone right here. Wow. It respected the hell out of that zone actually. Sheesh. So we really got to break above one of these then. Man, that's not a good sign. You never want to see that. So this zone right here, we just had a rejection followed by a bearish engulfing. Hopefully price will reject off of this level, but there's no way of telling. Um, 41.25.93. And keep y'all updated on the trade. But yeah, man, I'm about to go for a walk, bro. I don't know why It says 941. This is crazy. But it's 8:38. That's so crazy. Got the right date, but the time is wrong. That's weird, bro. Oh no, not even the date is right. Why does it do that? Now the craziest thing is here it says the 14th, but when I get out of it, it says the 9th. That's wild crazy, bro. I have no idea what's going on with that. Anyways, guys, this is the play. I'm about to go for a walk, man. I need to go exercise, do some push-ups, wake up for real, for real. I will be back in about a smooth hour. It's currently 8:37, so I should be back around 9:37. But yeah, man, we're looking long. Okay, here we go. Finally, it's coming in contact with this one right here. Or it's trying to. We're looking for long plays with gold. Don't let what's going on distract you. But I will say, wait until after Powell speaks before you guys get in. Me personally, I'm going to say this again. I do not like this. I do not like this bearish engulfing multiple bullish candles in one candle. That's always a sign that price may reverse. So the only reason I'm taking this is the only reason I took this buy is because last time price was in this area, it shot up, and this is the first retest of this breaking structure right here. So I know for a fact that price is going to shoot up. I don't know if it's going to go all the way up and make higher highs, but I do know that it's going to pull back. And if it doesn't, there is a lot of bearish pressure in the market right now. So a lot. Let me do this for you guys real quick. Also, I made a small mistake. I should have waited. It's a little impulsive on my end as far as like the move goes. I should have waited for price to hit this area, reject off, and then break a structure. The structure being this right here before even thinking about buying. But like, I'm so used to this stuff now, bro. Like where I'll be like, all right, even if I get in early, like it's still a good trade entry, right? The question is, should I put my stop loss below this one, or should I put it below the second one? What y'all think, man? 40091. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put it below that and just let it ride out. Yeah, it definitely wants to touch the zone right here, so that's gonna happen. All right. Also, look how price is kind of weakening up right here. See how it was just dropping right here, but now it's like, you know what I'm saying? That's what we want to see. But all right, y'all. Like I said, I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Oh man, super L entry, bro. Super L entry. So this is my fault. Like I said, I had to go work out real quick, bro. Um, number one, right? First things first. Price just broke through multiple areas of support, right? Two to be exact. It broke through. Oh, I'm sorry. It broke through one. It broke through one, and it stopped at the second. So I took an entry early up here for whatever reason. I don't know what I was thinking, but I took an entry up here. Price took me out, and then I took another one down here. But the only issue with taking a trade right here is I didn't wait for a break in structure. So the break in structure that I need is for this to be broken. Once this is broken, we can consider taking buys, right? Everything else, taking buys down here is just gambling. On the very least, I could have at least waited for a structure to be broken on a 1 minute time frame, which would be now. We're waiting for price to break above this point. Once price breaks above this point, then we can consider buying. So I'll go ahead and put another red line. I'm still bullish on gold, regardless of what's going on. Just with this challenge, my trades could have been a lot cleaner. I'll say that. Also, too, look at this. It's even having a hard time breaking structure right here. Okay, cool. We just broke structure right there. I was about to say, but yeah, until this candle closes, that means nothing. But damn, we can't even break this. That's how you know there's a lot of bearish pressure in the market. All right, we got 3, 2, 1. Cool. Finally, a break in structure. Now what's going to happen? Is it going to invalidate that break? We shall see. Oh man, that's crazy, bro. Nah. Okay, that might be a breakthrough and retest. Hopefully. I need my get back, man. Should I take another entry? I might. Let's see. Can I take another entry? Let's see. Oh, I sure can. Looks like a breakthrough and retest to me, guys. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's a clutch trade. Breakthrough and retest. We out. I should have stayed in that second trade for sure. All right. We really want to break right here. If we get a break right here, we're good. Yes. Nice. 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 Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now keep in mind, just because these breaks happen, don't mean that a correction can't happen. A correction would come all the way down here. So this is a possible correction. Oh man, this shit is super bullish right now. Damn, I should have stayed in that second trade. Ooh, whiskey. Mm, it's either about to do a retest or a correction. Let me get up out of this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close up out of that one. Wouldn't it be crazy if it just kept shooting up? That would be crazy. Mm. All right, so make this green. If y'all think that prices are going to retest or correct, you must be out of your mind. Ooh, that's a horrible entry, bro. This was the entry. All right, here come the retest. All right, so we're gonna take a small entry right here. We're gonna take a 0.02, and then we are going to take another entry down here. So 4102. So we're gonna take a Bro, that shit didn't hit. What's I gonna say? Damn, it's a lot of bearish pressure in the market right now, as far as gold is considered. Sheesh. It's not even 9:30 yet. Okay, that's a good sign. Please. If this candle closes bullish, we might be good, y'all. Let me remove all this stuff so y'all won't be confused. We get a bullish engulfing right here, we might be good. All right, 50-50. 50-50. 4 minutes into 9:30. All right. Let me see. Let me see. Let me look at the hourly time frame. Mm. Mm. It's tough. Oh yeah, it's about to drop. Damn. Oh, is it gonna hit the bounce off this daily? It might bounce off the daily. That's a lot of bearish pressure. So 5 pips. That shit fighting, boy. It's fighting in between these two zones. So this is support right here. So I'll get rid of this so y'all can see what's going on. So what's going on right now is this was structure, right? Price broke above this. Then not only did it break above that, it also broke above this. So it broke above two areas of structure, right? All right, cool. Here we go. It was literally fighting in between this level and down here, but now I think it's gonna go to the upside. Yes, sir. Good entry. Good entry. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's still fighting. Still fighting this area right here. Boom. I need a break above that. Come on, bro. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go, y'all. We back in action, baby. Come on, man. This shit playing right now. It's 9:29, y'all. One or two things gonna happen. It's gonna break or it's gonna fall. What is it gonna do? Mm, look like it can't fuck with the zone. 9:30 and 3, 2, 1. Oh man. 9:30. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I know it's gonna break. Like it wanna break above it, but it's playing right now, bro. Teasing a nigga, man. Oh, it lost the fight. Damn. Couldn't break above it. Oh well, it's still in the zone. It's still in the pocket. Still in the pocket. Oh yeah, it lost that fight. I can't say that until price breaks below this. If price closes below this, then it lost the fight for sure. Right now, it looks like it's losing. So I'm actually going to adjust my stop loss. Okay, we back in the fight, y'all. We're back in the fight. We are back in the fight. Man, why does it keep dropping once it gets up there? Oh man, bro. It keeps dropping once it gets to that point. Okay, here we go. I think this is it. Yes, sir. I'm out of there. And I'm out of here too. I could have stayed, but I'm cool with that. All right, y'all. So I made my little ones and twos. Let me see how much I'm down. Okay, I'm up $50 for the day. Not too bad. Not too shabby. All right, so good entry. Um, I'll break this down play by play so you can understand what happened. So basically, right, price is going down. We can see that. Actually, let's go to the 1 hour first. So 1 hour, price broke through here, and then this is the second area, right? It stopped abruptly at this zone right here. This is a 5-minute zone. So last time price hit this zone, what did it do? It shot all the way up. The second time it hit it, it shot all the way to right here. The third time it hit it, now it's rejecting as well. So this is a strong support area. Boom. So I made the mistake of getting in early, and that's how I went from 300 down to, well, no, my bad. I stayed in a trade too long without adjusting my stop loss last night, and that's how I got down to below 300. But long story short, the real entry should have been right here, right? So our first real breaking structure was this. So this is structure, price broke above it right here. We also had a breaking structure right here, but this isn't the same because it didn't bounce off of a larger time frame. You get what I'm saying? It's not the same strength, if that makes sense. So then, not only did we have a breaking structure here, but we also had a breaking structure right here. So price can do one or two things. It's always going to retest or correct. In this instance, it's correcting right now. So now what we want to happen is to, if you bought here at the retest or here, I'm sorry, here at the retest or here at the correction, what you want to see is price close above this level. But right now, it appears as though price is fighting to get out of this little pocket. And I'm going to show you the pocket that it's in right now. Just going to get rid of all the noise. And it is literally in between this pocket. So this is the pocket. Disagree. Okay, cool. That's a good thing. Well, that might be another one. See how it's fighting it's fighting to get out of this pocket, bro. Literally fighting. Oh man. I think I'm gonna take another buy. Yes, sir. I know price all too well, man. Shit, literally fighting to get out of that pocket. All right, now I'm just being greedy. I'm done, y'all. I'm sorry about that. But good day today. Caught a nice little scalp. Ugh. For those of you watching, thanks for watching. Do not trade. Please do not make the mistake of trading at 12 o'clock. If you got some, if you want to get that shit off your chest, if you want to, like, you get what I'm saying? Like, you feel as though, oh, I'm missing out. Go ahead and use a small lot size. Go ahead and risk 1 to 3% of your account. Try to catch a quick scalp and then get out before 12. I wouldn't even trade. I would get out. Yeah, I wouldn't even trade past 11:59. So that is my advice or warning to y'all today. Do not trade past 11:59 a.m. I'm gonna write it in big bold for y'all who's stubborn and hard headed. Do not trade past 11:59 a.m. today, please. Save your money. Actually, to be honest, guys, and this is in all honesty, if I were you, I would wait until Friday, possibly next week, Monday, before I would start trading. The reason I say that is because not only is Fed Chair Powell speaking today, but we also have PPI, CPI news coming out on Thursday, bro. So it's going to be a very volatile week, meaning the markets are very unpredictable. Let's see, is there anything going on Monday? Nothing on Monday. Monday's clear. Oh, CPI for that doesn't really matter, but Monday is free and clear. Monday should be a great trading day. Monday is going to be a great trading day. I claim that for all of y'all. All right, this is what we wanted to see as far as holding the trade goes. Now, for those of you who are late or who missed this, let me show you what happened, right? So this green box that you see right here is a area of support. Why is it support? Because we marked this up on a lower time frame, which was the 5-minute time frame. If we go back to the 1 hour time frame, here is the 1 hour. Underneath this, underneath that line, this is how you get sniper entries, right? So this is a 5-minute area of support. This is price third time bouncing off of this area. The last 2 times price bounced off of this area, it moved up quite significantly. All we had to do was wait for price to hit this area and break structure, which it did. It broke structure right here. Once price broke structure, all we had to do was wait for the retest or the correction. Being that the correction and the retest are so close to each other, boom, that's what happened with a bear bullish engulfing. Price also broke through right here. So your two trade setups could have been right here or right here. Obviously, this is the better of the two because right here we had no indication that price was going to continue to go to the upside, but right here we do. So now this is the real entry, and you might be asking yourself, well, where should I take this trade to? When do I know when to get out? Price will tell you when to get out. So this is the first area you can take price to. There's nothing really stopping price from going to this level. Then the next area you can take it to is right here. The next area you can take it to is right here. So you got 1, 2, 3 areas that you could take it to. I could have stayed in the trade a little longer. Oh, 20 pips would have been tough. And that would have been like $200. I should have stayed in that motherfucker. Oh, I didn't want to be greedy, guys. But good trade today. Excellent trade, actually. I know for a fact price is going to hit that area. I think I'm going to end the live right here. If you like this content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification. I'm always dropping gems. And peace, guys.